So today we're going to be learning about Gimp or Gimp, Gimp, and the software is used to edit photos. This is very similar to Photoshop. So we're just going to be learning the very basic tools that we are going to be using to edit photos. All right, so when you open this application, this is what it looks like. We're going to now add a photo into this application. Okay, so there are many ways that you can do this. One is where you are adding in um, the template at which you are going to add in the photo. All right, so we created the new project. Um, Now we're going to open a new one. Huh? So that's basically what it looks like. Here I have some images. You can right click on the image and you can easily go with open with. If you have this software already installed like I have here, okay, you can open that image with Gimp or Gimp. Okay, there are many pronunciations, but I prefer using Gimp. So I've loaded the image into the software. Now I'm going to apply some edits to this image. The first edit that I'd like you all to do is editing the amount of pixels on the image. To do that, click on image. And then you want to scale this image. So click on scale image. Here's where you are able to change the number of pixels. You can also change the width and the length of the image without distorting the image. The standard pixels is 300. You can increase this. Okay, I like images increased to about 900 pixels by 900 pixels, but there are some places where you are expected to change the number of pixels to a certain number. Okay, so I'm changing to 900 by 900. Um, and once you're done, you can just go on to scale. So this changes the number of pixels in your image. For some places like New Zealand immigration, they require your passport size photo if you're taking it from outside New Zealand to be in a certain number of pixels. I think it's 1200 pixels. This is the amount of dots that make up the colors of an image. Uh, Changes the number of dots in that particular image per square centimeter or so. Yeah, there's a certain standard to it. So here we are changing the number of pixels. We've done that. We can change the color of the image, the different color templates. You're going to go through this and change the color templates, the color of the image. Here you can also use some of these tools to change the color of the image. You can crop image. Okay. Here you have color management. So I want you for this activity to change it into a certain color. You will explore the tools here, maybe black and white or grayscale based on the instructions that I will give you. All right, so once you've satisfied with the edit of the image, we're going to save it in different types of format, okay? So to do that, we go to Save As. Here you look at the name of your image. I would name this cafe, image cafe. Cafe shows a lady in a cafe. And then on the bottom here, you are able to change, select a certain format which you want to change your images. So here are the different types of formats. So let's select one. Okay. Hmm. Save it on our desktop. Okay. Desktop. Let's go and now let's export this. Export as. Okay. You can do cafes there. Um. Save it. Desktop. Desktop. Okay, so the one that we are going to be using is the JPG format. Just search for JPG, JPEG. Okay. So we'll set on save one on JPEG image and so once you're done, just export this document, this image. Okay, on your desktop, here is the image using a JPG, JPEG format. I want you to do the same for this image using the other format that's it's the TIFF format. Okay, again, we'll put to desktop, save the same image, same name, but just a different format. Um, let's see. Yeah, this format. TIFF. Okay, so we are going to save it on this format. Export and export again. Right. So in your folder, you should have one JPG image format. This one. You have the JPEG format, and you have one on the TIF. If you look at the image, you'll see the information that's shown because I have changed it to 900 pixels. The information that's given here changes for each one. Okay, the formats type size based. This is the original, okay? And then for each one, it changes. What I'd like you to do is to create a new folder, and I want you to name the folder CBA8, your name, CBA8, and load these images into that folder. Okay, so you have three cafe images, and you will do two other images. In your emails, I've sent you a zip folder that has your resources that you'll be using. It looks like this. There are three images here. I've done this one for you. You are to do the other two. Same method as shown in the demonstration. Alright, check your emails for the resource folder and install your software that's also in your email and get started on this.